Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to disable light mode on Discord for PC after the latest update. If you're a fan of the sleek look of dark mode, we've got you covered with an easy step-by-step guide. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Discord app. Make sure you're logged in and you'll be greeted by the familiar interface. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is the user settings icon, and it's where all the customization magic happens. Click on that gear icon to proceed. Now that you're in the user settings menu, scroll down a bit on the left-hand side until you find the appearance option. Click on it to access the appearance settings for your Discord. Here comes the final step. Under the theme section, you'll see different options available. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select the dark theme. This will instantly change your Discord interface to a darker, more visually comfortable setting, perfect for late-night gaming or chatting. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled light mode and switched to dark mode on Discord. Enjoy your new aesthetic and improved viewing experience while you chat with friends or jump into your favorite games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy Discording.